assuming your axle is securely tight. Open the cam lock into a straight position. Checking the nut on the other side, tighten as required until the cam lock starts to feel resistance on the closing swing. To close, hold the nut on one side, press your palm onto the cam lock and press closed with the cam lock facing towards the back of the bike. Check that this is now tight without moving. Spin the wheel to make sure the wheel is not binding. If it is too tight, the wheel will bind. If it is too loose, there will be movement in the cam lock. It is highly recommended to follow this process as part of each rider's pre-ride checklist.